Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your BillEase account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your BillEase account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in billease.ph and make a search. The official page of BillEase account will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and password associated with your BillEase account and tap on login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your BillEase account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.